Payactiv Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but the way you access your earned wages can dramatically affect your financial flexibility, stress levels, and even your long-term savings. In 2025, Payactiv has become one of the leading platforms for earned wage access, offering employees early access to their paycheck, financial wellness tools, and cash management features. But the big question remains: is it really worth it, or should you leave it? Today, we're going deep into Payactiv to help you decide. Let's start with the basics. Payactiv is a financial wellness platform designed primarily for employees. It allows workers to access a portion of their earned wages before their official payday, providing financial flexibility in case of emergencies, unexpected bills, or day-to-day expenses. Unlike payday loans or high-interest advances, Payactiv integrates directly with employers' payroll systems and aims to provide a responsible alternative. Here's a detailed look at the **core features *** of Payactiv in 2025. 1. Early wage access **. This is the signature feature. Payactiv allows employees to access up to 50% of their earned but unpaid wages anytime before the standard payday. Most people get this wrong, assuming early wage access is just another high-interest loan. With Payactiv, the access is based on actual earned wages, and there are no mandatory interest charges. There may be a small service fee, usually around $2.99 per transfer, depending on your employer's setup. 2. Cash advances without credit checks Payactiv does not perform a hard credit check, so using the service won't negatively impact your credit score. This is crucial for employees who need short-term cash, but don't want to affect their creditworthiness. Direct deposit and digital wallet integration funds from Payactiv can be transferred to a Payactiv debit card, linked bank account, or other supported digital wallets. This flexibility allows employees to access cash immediately or use it for direct bill payments, online shopping, and everyday transactions. 4. Bill pay features in 2025, Payactiv has expanded its platform to allow direct bill payments, including utilities, rent, and other recurring expenses. This reduces the need to manually move money or worry about late fees. For instance, if your rent is due a few days before payday, you can pay it directly through Payactiv using your early earned wages. 5. Savings tools Many people don't realize Payactiv also offers built-in savings features. Employees can set aside small amounts automatically from each paycheck into a separate savings account or emergency fund, promoting financial stability and long-term planning. 6. Financial wellness resources Payactiv provides educational content, budgeting tools, and spending insights. The platform is designed to help employees understand their finances better, avoid unnecessary fees, and plan for emergencies. Unlike traditional payday services, which often encourage short-term fixes, Payactiv emphasizes financial literacy. Now, let's talk about the advantages that make Payactiv stand out in 2025. Avoiding high-interest loans One of the biggest pitfalls for employees living paycheck to paycheck is reliance on payday loans, which often charge interest rates exceeding 400% APR. Payactiv offers an affordable alternative, providing liquidity without predatory terms. Financial flexibility Early access to wages means you can cover unexpected expenses without borrowing from friends, family, or high-cost lenders. This can reduce stress, improve cash flow management, and even prevent overdraft fees at your bank. No credit impact Since Payactiv does not perform hard credit checks, using the platform responsibly won't affect your credit score. This is an essential feature for employees who need short-term cash, but are also focused on maintaining good credit. Digital convenience The platform integrates seamlessly with mobile apps, allowing instant transfers, bill payments, and account monitoring. Users can check balances, track spending, and manage early wage requests with a few taps on their smartphone. However, it's also important to consider limitations employer participation required Payactiv is not a personal account or a bank. It requires your employer to partner with the service. If your company does not support Payactiv, you cannot access its features. Fees can add up While the per transfer fee is relatively low, frequent usage can become costly over time. For example, Accessing early wages 4 times a month at $2.99 each results in nearly $12 per month in fees. Not a substitute for full banking. Payactiv is primarily for earned wage access and financial wellness. It does not replace a traditional checking account, savings account, or investment platform. Employees still need other financial products for comprehensive money management. Let's look at real-world examples. Consider Sarah, a nurse working a 40-hour week at a hospital. Her rent is due on the 1st, but her payday is on the 5th. By using Payactiv, she can access a portion of her earned wages to cover rent on time, avoiding late fees and stress. Over time, she also uses the built-in savings feature to set aside $50 each week into an emergency fund, gradually building financial resilience. Another example is James, a warehouse employee who frequently encounters unexpected car repairs. By leveraging Payactiv's early wage access, he avoids overdrawing his bank account and paying $35 in overdraft fees. Instead, he pays a small $2.99 transfer fee, saving over $30 compared to traditional banking penalties. Now, let's compare Payactiv to other options in 2025. Traditional payday loans. High APRA, no savings tools, risk of debt cycle. Payactiv is safer and more affordable. Employer advances. Some employers offer internal payroll advances, but they may lack digital tools and automation. Payactiv integrates seamlessly with apps and bank accounts. Overdraft protection services. Banks may charge fees for overdraft protection. Payactiv offers proactive access to wages, reducing the need for overdrafts altogether. One of the most compelling aspects of Payactiv is financial wellness integration. In 2025, many employees struggle to manage cash flow, savings, and expenses simultaneously. Payactiv's app provides insights, budgeting features, and automated savings tools that help users make informed financial decisions. For example, you can see how much money you've earned, how much is available for early withdrawal, and set aside portions for bills or emergency savings. For safety and security. Payactiv uses industry-standard encryption, secure login protocols, and two-factor authentication. Funds are held in FDIC-insured accounts through partner banks, protecting your money from loss. Users can also set up alerts for transactions and monitor account activity in real time. Here's how to maximize Payactiv benefits. 1. Use early wage access strategically. Only access what you need for urgent expenses to avoid unnecessary fees. 2. Set up automatic savings. Leverage Payactiv savings tools to gradually build an emergency fund. 3. Pay bills directly through the app. Reduce the risk of missed payments and late fees. 4. Monitor fees. Keep track of how often you use early wage access to manage costs efficiently. 5. Pair with traditional banking. Maintain a checking and savings account for broader financial needs and investments.